Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices and accounts so pairing goes smoothly. Power on the boat unit and your phone, then open the Boat Watch app. Make sure you are logged in. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location permissions on your phone because the app needs both to find the boat unit. Make sure the boat device is in pairing mode, usually held power button for 3-5 seconds so the app can detect it. If you see the device name, tap to begin the connection step. You now establish the connection by following the app prompts. Select your boat device from the detected list. When a 4-6-digit pairing code appears, compare it to the code on the boat display and confirm to secure the link. If the device uses onboard Wi-Fi, enter the network name and WPA2 password when asked. Otherwise, choose Bluetooth only. Allow permissions for storage and background location so data can sync. Wait while the app uploads configuration. This can take up to a minute, depending on connection quality. You finish by verifying the time and data flow to ensure Boat Watch is fully connected. Check the boat clock against your phone time and adjust time zone settings in the app if they differ, because accurate timestamps matter. Next, run a live test. Open telemetry or status screen and confirm updates arrive within seconds. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both the boat device and your phone, then retry pairing. This clears
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.